See here, I'm discussing about that 404 file not found, that is called effective for page authority. Suppose user will be confused. Suppose at the enter for, now click the profile, is forget to, or will be forget. Suppose, or will be forget. What happened? The file not found. So here, same like I can go to my website, Rakesh Solutions. After .com, I'm entering the wrong complete. Just click. They're going to where? My home page. Now we can select for Flipkart. After Flipkart, you can enter for something here. They're going to which page? Just look here. Home page. If I'm entering for wrong URL, see the screen. Flipkart.com is a URL. Remaining is a page extension. Now just click. They go to which page? Home page. But my website, when entering for wrong, they're going to where? 404 file not found. That is called, the syntax name is called, please write down, .xt access. The syntax name is called .xt access. .xt access. HT access. ACESS access. Write down the code, please. HT access. HT. Write down the code, please. This is the code. Just copy this code. Take the notepad. Enter here. File. Save as. .xt. Access. Now click for save. The file we can upload by where? cPanel. So here just I'm copy this code. I'm uploading for where? The cPanel. What the option called is .xt access, edit. The file will be empty here. Just add the code. Click for save changes. So first I explain for code here. If anybody enter the wrong URL, they go to which page? Contact.html. Why? Because now if entering for anything is the services page. Here I am entering for S is missing. Now check. They go to which page? Contact page. Here will be not change. Only change for your page. Now previous they showing for which one? 404 file not found. Same URL. Enter. Now see the screen. They go to where? Just open here. They're going to home page or contact us page. They're going to contact us page. Why? Because I can give for contact.html. Your extension is machine should important. The page redirect to the which page if enter the wrong URL. So here one different 404, 301, 302. What is the difference for three options? 404 means if enter any wrong URLs, they go into our home page or any other pages. But redirection means once you enter the about us page, they are going to for temporary for services page. This is called redirection. If I am asking for any interview questions, what difference between the 404 and redirection? That is called page navigation. This is called URL navigation. If enter any wrong URL, they are going to where? Some other URLs. This will be fixed. They fixed by where? .xt access file. So here some website we enter the wrong URL. They can show will be like this. Page not found. Search anything will be here. I'm searching for mobile. They're showing for here. Is that clear? This is called 404 file not found. The page will be error. That is called the website don't have a 404 files. That is called .htaccess file. The code will be here. How to save? Write the code. Take the paste on notepad. The file will be saved as .htaccess. Upload on your cPanel in a particular website. Will be like this. How to check the code is activated or not? Right click, edit. You can check the code. Your task is write the code, send to developers. Is updating on your cPanel. This is called 404 file not found. The option call is .xt access.